How to create a WordPress website in 5 minutes. In 3 steps, we will create a website. Step number 1, download WordPress. Step number 2, create database. Step number 3, step number 1, download WordPress. Go to Google, type WordPress, download free. I am clicking the first result. Remember wordpress.org, not .com. So it is the WordPress official website. Click the download. Our file is downloaded. Now I am finding my downloaded file. Here it is. Double click, no, just copy it and go to the gem server. How to download and install a gem server was the tutorial. Click on explore. Find the htdocs. Open the htdocs. Create a new folder. It is your website name. Put which name you put for this folder, it will be your website name. So I am typing my website name. Now open the folder. Fetch WordPress which I copied before. Extract the WordPress. It is the zip file. Now extract. Click on the right button and click on the extract all. Then now click extract. It takes few seconds. Our file is extracted. Now copy all the file and cut it. Cut all file. Go to the WordPress website. Our website name it is our website name. Now paste all the file here and zip file delete, and it is delete. Our server is running Apache and MySQL. Now step number 2, create a database. Go to the Google and type localhost and click phpMyAdmin. Click add new. Here type your database name. Then click create. Our database is created. Now step number 3, we will install WordPress. On search bar type localhost / your website name, then press enter from the keyboard. Here it is. Scroll down and click continue. Then click let's go. Here put the database name same to same which you created. And username in localhost always root, password blank. Localhost table prefix, then click submit. Then run installation. Welcome to the WordPress. You can put the title, website title, which you need to when you log into your backend. In that time, this information you need. Put a strong password, then click the checkbox, then put your email address, then click it, then click here. WordPress, it may take few seconds, just wait. Congratulations, our website is created. It is username and password when you log into your website. Now we will visit our website. To do this, click in a new tab and type localhost/website name. From keyboard, press enter. Hello world, congratulations, our new website is created. Scroll down and you can see our website is created. So please like our channel, comments, share our video to your friends, and subscribe our channel. So guys, for the more information, if you have any question, leave your comment in your comment section. So thanks for watching. See you next time in other video.